Bigay na lang ang jersey number 7, Barbados, so Tumina Azul. Nakang jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, dribbles the ball. Has a jersey number 8. Jersey number 28, Tumina. Jersey number 7, has a jersey number 8, Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, dribbling the ball. Tumina, no good. Passing to jersey number. Pass to jersey number 28. Suwa ko Calvin Villa.
Score!
25 seconds to play. Score po natin
84-66. 18-8 ang inaabol ng Porocuatro. Coach MG, shout out! Ang galing mo!
Isa pa ang time out na Porocuatro.
Shout out kay Ryan. Si Ryan. Coach Santa Rita, shout out.
Hindi na po yun nakaano siya. Naka-block. With TV. Sorry.
Back to the ball game tayo.
Jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 27, Villa. Jersey number 27, Villa is looks up to the left, no good. Not even jersey number 7, never shot hit for 2. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 34, dribbling is the ball pass jersey number 9. Jersey number pass jersey number 6. Now jersey number 8, Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, dribbling the ball. Aguinaldo, Tumina, Simen, out of bounds. Single, 17 seconds, shot clock. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, pass jersey number 27, Duval. Jersey number 27, dribbling the ball. Hawak pa rin niya para lumayap, no good. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Pass jersey number 42. 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 24. Pass jersey number 6. Every shot. Injury time out.
Oh. Kaya ano? Ayun, kitang-kita po ang paa. Mahaba ang paa. Hello po.
Hello po. Hi.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Andito pa rin tayo sa tabi. Covered court. It's a battle between Roca and Porocuatro. Tingnan natin yung score. 68-86. 18-point lead at 2:51 in the fourth period. Parang malaki eh. Adriano.
Maganda laban.
Shoutout
All parents.
sa bahay. sabi ni